Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the RGB strips from Lewentech. This is a 16.4 foot RGB strip kit, and we're going to go ahead and get into it. I'll leave a link in the description. You can get it on Amazon. So as you can see, we have a ton of stuff in here for a really good price. So right here is the real 16.4 feet. These ones are waterproof and some other stuff available. We have the 44 key remote, the AC adapter, IR receiver with a 3M adhesive on the back, which is really cool because most RGB strips come with nothing on the back, so this is very unique. And then you can also mount it if you choose to do so. You have a user manual, and then you have some accessories here. You have mounting supplies, so you have like a 3M adhesive for clips, and then you have some more stuff here. Very cool. And then you have some more 3M adhesive. This one is just like strips, which is really cool. So a lot of stuff for a really good price. So we're gonna get into it. Here's the remote. Has a little pull tab. There we go. You have red, green, blue, and all the other colors. Auto, DIY, quick, slow, auto, flash, fade. So pretty cool there. Here's the IR receiver. You have the arrow to arrow. And the infrared receiver. Let's go ahead and plug this in. So you just plug it in the bottom, AC. And you get the strips. Alright, get the strips. So right here you have some, right here you have like a little thing here, and then you have some, you can add extra. Alright, so we plug them in, and obviously you can power them on and off with the IR receiver. Change the color, and these look pretty nice. And you can also change the brightness from lower, and you can raise it up. And they are pretty, I can't really tell. Hold up. Let me turn this off. Okay, yeah, they're pretty bright. They have a good glow to it too. This is red, so it's gonna be a low color. Yeah, this is nice. Has a nice aura effect. Yeah, these are clean. I'm gonna put these probably under my bed or somewhere, maybe give them away. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want one of these. Purple, you have many different colors here, so that's really cool.